Hello learners, let's solve a set of latest year PYQ for the subject code 55 HRM and labor laws. The first question, who authored the book The Nature of Managerial Work? So the author of the book The Nature of Managerial Work, the answer for this question is Henry Mintzberg. He authored the book The Nature of Managerial Work. So these questions will be mandatorily asked in the exam wherein they ask about the certain author's name. So it's like a repetitive based question for your paper 2 preparation. So the answer is Henry Mintzberg. So this Henry Mintzberg in the year 1973, he wrote this book. There are major roles to be performed by the manager, such as decisive roles, interpersonal roles, and based on the hierarchical level in the organization and how their communication takes place. It is telling out the pattern in which the managers actually work. These are the key elements in this book, and it was in the year 1973 by Henry Mintzberg. Moving on to the second question, according to whom management is the art of getting things done through people. This famous quote was given by Mary Parker Follett because here she considers people or employee as an important resource in the organization. Here employees are considered to be very valuable resource. And here she has given certain terms that are very important. Like a recap, I will tell you. It's about conflict resolution through integration. That is the main thing given by her. And it is power over with power with. So power over will be influential, whereas power with will be group coordinated. And she also emphasized on group power. So how people as an integration work towards solving a problem smoothly in an organization. So and the last question is, the term wages under the Contract Labor Regulation Abolition Act of 1970 has the same meaning in which of the following acts? The answer straight away goes to the Payment of Wages Act. The Payment of Wages Act is very important in order to define what the wages are actually. So in chapter 2 of definitions, chapter 1 is preliminary, chapter 2 definitions, section 2H of the Regulation and Abolition Act of 1970. If you look at this act in section 2H, would be the definition directly stating, in order to study about the definition of wages, please refer to the Payment of Wages Act. That will be the given definition in that particular act. So the answer is payment of wages. So one other important thing is that wages does include both basic pay and dearness allowance. So these are the important points you need to know.